Here in South Louisiana, this is Norman Dunning with Mr. Quality Pressure Washing. Now here in South Louisiana, we're on Plank Road after this flooding event in August of 2016, and you can see here coffins displaced. And you can see here, I guess this is a family's presence. You know, they want us to know that's their coffin or something. And then we got a couple others up here.
That's the one in front of that car right there.
Oh, that must be her family. Sad.
Oh, that's a refrigerator.
That's a refrigerator. I tell you what.
They might have buried Papa on her.
Mr. Charles, I don't think they buried Papa on a refrigerator, but I think I'm getting cremated.